Now before we get started with the installation process, very important, you want to make sure that you're installing this mirror on a dry, clean, flat, even non-porous surface such as glass, windows, granite, marble, tile. You don't want to install this on an uneven, porous, or gritty textured surface. Installation is super simple. Now the Mirrorvana Fogless shower mirror has an advanced suction mechanism that again is so simple to use. Step one, you just want to make sure that the mechanism is turned all the way to the unlocked position, turning it all the way to the left, counterclockwise. Next, you're going to apply to a dry, clean, non-porous, flat surface, and you're going to turn clockwise or to the right until you hear a snapping sound. Yeah, it's that simple. There you have it. As you can see, it's multi-dimensional, it swivels, and you can get a shave from many different angles. Now very important, the anti-fog coating does not last forever and is not permanent on this mirror. Just like you wouldn't expect a razor to be sharp forever. Once the anti-fog coating has worn off, you do want to periodically respray with a leading anti-fog spray that is compatible with plastics. You also want to make sure that this mirror is not in direct contact with water and away from streams of water. Also want to make sure that the mirror head is down and away from direct contact with water. Make sure to not use abrasive chemicals like shampoos, rubbing alcohols, and don't use your fingers or hands to clean it. Finally, I wanted to talk to you about the Nirvana with Mirrorvana guarantee. If you cannot get the mirror to work or are not satisfied for any reason at all, Mirrorvana will offer a full replacement or full refund without you having to send the mirror back. That's right. All you would need to do is send an email to Mirrorvana and they will take care of the rest.